So first, for anywhere from $129 to $929, you're getting a step-by-step program to build your income stream, like 1 to 4 of them. You're getting the master resale rates of that program. That means you can sell them as the owner of the program and make 100% profit from reselling them. You get a website, which is actually 3 pages of a website. You get an automated sales process that's 10 product pages. You get an automated email nurturing system, including 13 emails that are timed and written for you. You get it all set up in a free sales automation tool called System.io. You get membership into the top most engaged business community on School. So you own your own business, but you're never alone. You get daily and weekly mentorship. You get 8 bonuses like Canva crash course to help you make your growth content strategies, blueprints of how to make up to $1 million. We've got